I'll be the last one left when the lights go out.
Today we have come to look for one of the most rare birds that occurs in Corbett landscape. This is called ibis-bill. I usually get to see ibis-bill breeding in the month of July up in Trans-Himalaya in Ladakh. So this is 3000 meters plus. But as the winters arrive, a lot of birds get pushed down by the winter, so they come into the lower elevations, and Corbett is one of those places where it is relatively easy or possible to see ibis-bill, which is not a common bird anywhere. As a matter of fact, good old days, we used to have more numbers of ibis-bill. I remember having seen 7 of them in one spot. Of lately, what we get to see is probably just a pair of them, or sometimes 3 birds. And here we can walk around, we can be on foot, we are not confined to the jeep, and we enjoy birding. Whoa, I got the ibis-bill! Probably about 300 meters away, just looking like boulders and being in water, feeding in water. Let me check again. I see 2 birds. When we approach any bird in the wild, it is always advised not to approach it straight, because the bird can sense somebody is coming towards it. So when we are trying to make a little close approach, whereas bird may feel threatened by our presence, we don't walk straight towards it. We walk slightly left, slightly right. So the bird never realizes that somebody is moving towards it, and that is how we can probably reach a little closer to the bird without disturbing it, and still being able to observe it well. Lucky that we got 3 ibis-bill. These are, as I earlier said, the only 3 birds that we believe winter in Corbett. It's a very interesting vader because one, it has got a bill which is similar to the bill of ibis. Ibis is a much larger bird. The bill, which is down curved, is used to probe under the small pebbles, under the boulders, and look for tiny little insects, aquatic insects, and tiny little fish. So that is what makes the diet of the ibis-bill. As I earlier pointed out, also they love to hang around in shallow rapids. They have slightly longer legs than, let's say, a red-whittled lapwing. So they can wade into water. They can be in shallow rapids on the edge of the river amongst shallow running water, and that's where they feed. A bit shy, they're not extremely shy, but they're a bit shy. If you approach them, they will fly over to the next suitable habitat where they can feed. Beautiful birds they are, and they are star birds of Corbett, and we are so lucky that we got them today. What a lovely day it is.